Craving something sweet, but your blood sugar is fine? Then these 5 hidden signs mean your body is begging for magnesium, not sugar. Let's go! Sign number 1. Your left eyelid keeps twitching. People say someone's thinking of you, but science says low magnesium. It makes your nerves hyper excited. Sugar makes it worse. Try magnesium for 3 days and watch it stop. Sign number 2. You wake up at a.m. with a sudden, painful calf cramp. You jump out of bed? That's not a sugar problem, that's a magnesium cry. Sugar tightens muscles more. Magnesium relaxes them. Sign number 3. Number 3. Can't get through the day without dark chocolate? Good news, you actually want magnesium. Dark chocolate 70% plus has it. Skip the milk chocolate. Eat cashews, pumpkin seeds, or take a magnesium supplement. Sign number 4. You sleep 8 hours but wake up feeling like a truck hit you? Your sugar might dip, but here's the real deal: magnesium runs your cellular energy, your mitochondria. Without it, even sugar won't give you energy. Sign number 5. Your heart suddenly skips a beat or races for no reason. Don't panic. It's an electrolyte imbalance. Magnesium keeps your heart rhythm steady. Sugar makes that imbalance worse. Try a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of magnesium. Citrate.so. There you go. Eye twitching, night cramps, chocolate cravings, morning fatigue, and heart flutters. Your body wants magnesium, not sugar. Next time you grab a candy bar, grab spinach, cashews, or pumpkin seeds instead. Or 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate. Got any of these signs? Drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.